Welcome to Greenlee's training on the GX10 puller. We're here to talk about and prepare and inspect the GX10 cable puller. Let's first start with decals. You'll notice we have warning decals on the boom units. We also have warning and danger on the gearbox. We also have warning and danger on the control box. Let's talk about the mobile VersaBoom. As you notice, it very easily moves through the job site. Make sure that your wheels are in good shape and nothing is failed. Also, you'll notice we have locking casters on the back. Make sure that those brakes function. Look for any obvious damage or bent components, but we also want to make sure that all of the welds are in good shape and nothing has been fatigued or cracked. Also, we want to confirm that you have your slip-in couplers. This package is designed to have all of our slip-in couplers from 2-inch all the way up to 5-inch. There is another unit that uses 2.5, 3, and 4-inch slip-in couplers only. With those slip-in couplers, make sure that all your welds are intact and nothing is deformed or out of position. There is a 4-foot boom and also a 3-foot boom. They are designed with 4 pre-drilled holes. Those pre-drilled holes allow you to move the nose unit in 90-degree increments so that you can connect up to your conduit. As we check those nose units, make sure that the pins retract and the nose unit will function. Also make sure that the cast wheel rotates freely. The 3-foot boom, make sure that it functions just like the previous, and the wheel turns freely on this one also. To move this unit around, we have a handle that folds out of the way so that you can push and pull this unit. What's also nice, we have a crank handle that allows you to raise and lower those booms. Make sure that it moves freely and that it works in moving the boom. The puller body connected to the mobile VersaBoom with 2 pin units. Make sure that those pin units have their keeper pins on it. The control box, make sure that it's secure to the puller. The puller does come with a foot switch. Make sure that the cord is not damaged and is in good shape. Confirm that the RCA connection is not loose. Also make sure that the foot switch actually functions. From there is 2 rope guides built on the cable puller, one of them on the capstan. Make sure that it slides freely and is adjustable. There's also a rope guide on the back of the puller. Make sure that it is free rotating, and you can also adjust its position by pulling the pin. Let's talk about testing the puller and making sure that it works. Puller does have a replaceable and also loose power cord. It is a 120 volt, 20 amp plug. It does plug into the side of the puller. We need 120 volt, 20 outlet available. Confirm by putting the RCA switch into the puller motor. On-off switch, as we turn it on, you want to confirm that all the LED lights turn on. The foot switch does control speed. Double tap the foot switch. It should go high speed and low speed. Press and hold the foot switch. Confirm that the puller runs. Double click the foot switch, hold it down, and now my puller runs in high speed. Once we've confirmed that everything works, we can wrap up those cords. Remove the RCA connection. Store the 3-foot boom. Avoid any issues with outside weather. And now you're ready for transport. Thank you for joining us today.